his first ever interview to a national channel since the crisis in the BJP in Karnataka, Sadananda Gowda says he has made a prayer to God to save Karnataka. He says he is willing to do what the BJP High Command says. Yediyurappa, the former Chief Minister of Karnataka, wants him ousted and bring in leader from the Lingayat community, Jagdish Shettar. Gowda, who is on his way to New Delhi, spoke exclusively to Radhika Iyer.
The Chief Minister of Karnataka, Sadananda Gowda, just after visiting the Ganesha temple in central Bangalore. Sir, you're visiting Delhi in a couple of hours now. Have you just made a prayer that the leadership doesn't tell you to step down as Chief Minister?
Practically, I prayed for the people of Karnataka. We are facing drought in 123 talukas in Karnataka. So, I prayed Lord Ganesh that let there be rain soon, let there be no problems for Karnataka. I am not praying for my Chief Minister's for or something. I am prayed for the people of Karnataka. Whenever the priest asks me, what is your name? In your name, we have to pray the God. I said that you pray for the people of Karnataka. That is my intention. For that reason.
Right, you have your smile on, sir. We are hearing from sources that, of course, Mr. Shettar will replace you. What is it that you're hearing? What is it that you're hoping?
I said that we have already, in detail, we explained the present situation in Karnataka. And we asked the central leadership to give a decision. We will obey the decision of the central leadership.
Are you okay with the state party president, sir? You've already played that role before.
See, already I played almost all the roles in Karnataka. Nothing is left for me. I am an obedient soldier of the party. Whatever the directions given by the central leadership will be obeyed by me.
Last question, sir. What's your message to Mr. Yediyurappa at this time of crisis?
No, nothing. No. See, he is our leader. So, for a leader, a worker can't give any message. Whatever message he gives, that I will receive.
Right, thank you very much. Mr. Sadananda Gowda there seems extremely brave at this stage. His smile is still on as he walks just outside the temple. He is going to be visiting central leaders soon. And it seems that Mr. Sadananda Gowda says he will abide by the High Command's decision. Radhika Iyer with Govind Murthy in Bangalore for NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display, full screen view, faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.